The People's National Party (PNP) says the Major Organised Crime and Anti-Corruption Task Force (MOCA) should be brought in to help investigate corruption allegations at Petrojam. The call came from General Secretary of the PNP, Julian Robinson, in a press release just moments ago. Mr. Robinson said the police may need to get involved because of what may possibly be fraudulent transactions in the documents available to the public so far. TVJ's Dashan Hendricks tells us more.
On Monday, the cabinet directed the energy ministry to conduct a probe into allegations of corruption at Petrojam. Tuesday, the opposition hit back, saying the energy ministry, which has oversight of the refinery, cannot be trusted to do a thorough investigation. Now, fast forward to Wednesday, and the call is for the police to get involved. The PNP, in a release, said it wants the Major Organized Crime and Anti-Corruption Task Force (MOCA) to take a look at the issues plaguing Petrojam. Specifically, the PNP wants MOCA to look into at least 2 instances of reimbursement of expenses to former chairman Percival Bahodo Singh for travel and related expenses which he did not undertake. The release said while Mr. Bahodo Singh did not attend the meetings which were held in London and Brazil, he reportedly submitted claims and was refunded by Petrojam for airfares and per diem related to the trips. For the London trip, the amount reimbursed and originally accepted was $8,910. For the Brazil trip, it was $7,873. But that's not where the PNP wants the police probe to stop. It said it also wants the agreement between Petrojam Limited and Asha Corporation for financial analyses and managerial services for which payments were made to Rodney Davis to be investigated. The other matter it wants to be looked into is why was there a cost overrun in the construction of a wall at Petrojam? The estimated cost to construct the wall was $30 million, but the actual cost was $91 million. The PNP says it is for these reasons that it is rejecting the tasking of the Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Energy, Hilary Alexander, to conduct the investigation into this sordid matter as a proper response by the government. Dashan Hendricks, TVJ News.